I welcome you all today on the Women's Day, and we are going to discuss a very interesting topic. But before we discuss the topic, let me introduce you to Sumesh, who has 16 years of experience in sales, and he has been a medical representative. He started off from a very small place, and he went on to become a zonal manager with a very reputed multinational company. And his journey with sales, I'm sure, must have given him a lot of insight and a lot of learning. And now he's coaching people how to 3x the sales, right?
Yes.
And a little bit of introduction about me. I have come from a hotel sales and marketing background. Even I was not from sales. Earlier, I was into financial operations, and I just switched over by you could say destiny into sales, and I never knew I had this great ability, and this interest grew so much in me that I progressed and became a general manager with a reputed brand of hotel. And now I'm helping women and uh, men both in coaching and energy transformation and a holistic lifestyle approach. And I'm including yoga as well because I'm a yoga instructor as well. So we begin this interesting topic, Sumesh, and I wanted to ask you, see, being a woman, okay, I personally didn't, my journey with sales was very different. I used to do selling a little, but I was initially not interested in it. And when things opened up for me, I took the bold step of venturing into sales. And interestingly, I really loved this field. Okay, and I wanted to ask you that we all know that sales is predominantly known as a male dominated you
Yes.
know you could say male dominated
Industry.
field, but
Yes.
a lot of women have been successful with sales. And somehow, women are increasingly becoming very participative and progressive with sales. So when it comes to a sales job, it is somehow still seen that women cannot be doing, the domain is not belonging to women. So why is that, and what is your reason? What do you say about this?
Yeah, it is what you said is correct because as if we take the proportion, women participation is comparatively less. So, as per the Labor Statistics study, which is conducted in 2019, as per that, 27 percentage of the, 27 percentage is the participation of women in sales industry. But interestingly, in that, one more thing is there, as you said, the sales incentive achievement when it comes to a comparison, if we do, 87 percentage of the women achieved sales incentives as compared to 70,
Wow.
76 percentage of men. That means, out of this 27 percentage, 86 percentage of the women are highly productive. Okay. So that is really a good
Right.
sign. And this incentive study has been done by, I think, exactly corporation or something like that kind of a team. Okay. So in this Women's Day, especially, I suggest all business owners to considering, consider to hire more women sales professionals into their industry because they are highly productive, actually, highly, efficient in sales. But only the thing is, why these people are, why the number of people or the proportion of women's participation is less. So if we see that,
Right.
I think the reason is skepticism. Okay, skepticism about the sales profession, and of course the skepticism came from the market itself, because people are telling the sales team is very visible into the market. Okay, so this sales team, they will be sending the message outside the world that, oh, horrible job, sales job is really pressure, sales, this one, all this, it's a lot of rejections. So these messages are going vigorously. Okay, outside, inside the hospital office,
Yeah.
something if it is there, it will not be going out that much. But these salespeople are really visible in the market. So maybe these messages also may be stopping them or making them skeptic about the sales
True.
job. This can be the reason, I feel so. So this message is
Yes.
going out. That is the major issue of this. And the reality of the sales job is people are coming by chance, not by choice. Okay, to the sales industry.
True.
That is the thing.
Me.
Yeah, you are.
See,
Obviously,
yes, it is
even me
because
also.
I can very well. Yes,
Even me
every
also for that matter.
yeah, because see, when I was in insurance, okay, so I was taking care of insurance operations,
Okay.
okay, and I used to take care of the entire branch for the operations, and we had targets to cross sell, okay,
Yeah.
because we were into insurance operations. We had the target to cross sell, but it was always put a fear, there is, I feel there is some fear attached that women cannot do sales. So
Yeah.
even that fear came onto me, and I never tried, though I used to cross sell. Okay, but I never used to try it full fledged. And when I switched on to a different industry, somehow that opportunity opened up to me. And like you said, it was like a more of a chance thing.
Yes.
So this perception needs to be changed that women
Yes.
cannot
Exactly.
do sales. But yeah, I've seen a lot of women who have excelled in sales once they have been supported, and once their approach has been recognized. Okay, there are some perceptions that women cannot do meetings, and they are little skeptical in going and venturing out there, and meeting people, and they have their own but that is not really true. People have seen the approach, and they have changed their perception, and if I feel they are given the right support, they definitely do excel in sales, and your
Absolutely.
statistics actually tells that.
Yes, yes, absolutely. It is there. It is there. So the basic reason behind is this message only. This message, which is spread in the market about the sales job, can be the reason. I feel so. Yeah.
Okay, I wanted to ask you one more question. What is it that is a message that is going on there with the reality of women going through this?
Yeah. So
What
the
what
fact,
is the message?
yeah, message is like people are saying about the job is very hectic. All these things, as I said. So why
Hmm.
the fact is that sales team is the one who pushes the money needle of the business. Okay. Obviously they are
Right, right.
they are shouldering more responsibilities of every organization, every business. The backbone of business is sales only. So obviously they will be having, there will
Hmm.
be a pressure. But if you consider any other job, any other domain like HR, or accountant, or anything for that matter, they have to meet their deadline, same like sales job. But
Right.
sales job also, it will be
Yes.
like that only. So there will be pressure, there is no doubt. For every, like any other industry, sales also got pressure, and maybe this may be a little bit higher. But since sales professionals are like that is what this message is going, because of that only. Like these people are communicating with the market. So many people are going. Okay, HR professional or any other job, they will be sitting inside the office, and their communications are limited to their community. But like their small group, or on a this one only. But when it comes to sales people, they are going out to the market. So that is the reason this message is
Right.
going. Yes. Yeah. So
But I somehow feel. I somehow feel, Sumesh, that women are becoming more and more adaptable, and they are better at adapting situations. It
Yes.
is like, yeah, they are juggling between their role of being a wife, being a daughter, being a sister, and their individual dreams. Okay, but they are being able to adapt both their responsibility very well. So how can they excel? What do you think that they
Yeah,
should
flexibility.
also
Yeah, marriage, as you said, that is one of the biggest example of women's adaptability because they are completely accepting
right,
new house, new relatives, everything, and they are taking it as their own house or their own home, and then they
right,
are completely excelling their performance over there, right? So that's what I'm saying. Those
right,
sales, when if we wanted to compare or connect with these two, sales is all about a sequence of action. Okay, right from identifying the prospects, winning their trust, asking questions to understand the need of the customer, presenting a product as per the need, handling objections, closing
right,
the sales, taking the full. These are the series of a sales job or sales process. So if you analyze carefully all these steps, they are already naturally doing it. Women handling objection, it is,
right.
you know, that how fast or how
Yes,
extremely good way they can do it. And if you say closing, persuasion is another one of the biggest part. And most of
yes,
places you
very
can
much.
that you can just observe and everything, almost all identifying the need, sometimes presenting the product as per the need. Because sometimes, for example, our
True.
mom used to prepare something. Maybe the required food or desired food may not be available, but they know that this is good for health, and they can correlate and they can present it in a very good way. This is what is sales. So they
True.
have got a natural
Yes.
capacity as compared to men. So I would say that they are no need to have any kind of skepticism about sales job. They have already got it, and yes, it is really possible, according to me. Okay, so there should not be. I
Okay.
think the proportion should go from 27 to almost 60 or 70.
More. Exactly.
It has to be increased.
Yes, yes, absolutely. I agree with you.
Yes.
And before we close this session, I just want your one advice and one thing that you want to say to women who are looking forward to having a role with sales.
Yeah, that will be
What
really.
is your one advice?
Yeah, because on this Women's Day, it will be really, I'm so glad to give that also my suggestion. Since we are discussing about sales job and women, I would say that, as I told, you have already acquired the complete skills, and which is there already in your, it is there inborn, kind of a natural tendency is there. So
Hmm.
no need to hesitate for sales job. Sales job is the one best way. That is what I wanted to say. Sales job is the one of the best way to achieve financial freedom and time freedom. This is what people are looking for. Financial freedom is very, very important, and of course time freedom. These two things, through sales job, it is very, very easily achievable if the a person is skilled, upskilling himself or herself. Okay, so that is the major thing, to
Yes.
avoid all this pressure or this one. To make the job easy, they need to upskill themselves and come to the sales profession. Sales profession is one of the best way to achieve time freedom and financial freedom. This is what I want to say about this is the one thing.
I completely
Okay. Okay.
I completely relate to this because in my personal journey also I touched the financial freedom and my own skill development. So what you say is skill up, So I completely would like to also spread this message to other women who are looking forward to coming into a sales or who are already, in the sales profile, to skill up and don't give in to the perception that it's a very high pressure job and you cannot do it. you can really skill yourself and manage things, since you've already been managing so many profiles altogether. And a very happy Women's Day to all our viewers who are women. And thank you, Sumesh.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time and your expert, pointers that you gave us on this field. Thank you for joining us.
Wishing you to all a wonderful Women's Day, and wish you all success in your journey of transforming people's energy. So wish you all success in that also. Okay, thank you so much, and
Thank you, Sumesh. Thank you.